Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Wet n Wild Fast AF Dry top coat review. Now I did get questions about how this top coat performed and questions like that, so I thought that I would do a full review after using this top coat for a couple weeks, and I've already, just a little insight, repurchased this product. So let's just jump right in. You can find this product online on their website, walmart.com, and also in store. I found one of my bottles at Walmart and one of my bottles at the Dollar General. This retails for anywhere between $4.30 to $3 or so. Now the other day, just to throw this in there, I went to the Dollar General. They had a bin of clearance. This polish was in the clearance bin, and I got it for under $1, which is an absolute steal for this. This nail polish dries, it says 40 seconds. This dries in under 30 seconds. Seriously, this dries so fast, it's unbelievable. It gives you a long-lasting manicure. It claims 5 days. I had my manicure on that I'm going to share with you for almost an entire week, and it still had no chipping in it, just some growth. So super impressive. I didn't reapply it. I just did one coat, left it alone. I do dishes every day, bath, clean, so it really held up during those times. Definitely has the claim of 5-day chip resistance. It works wonderful. This is a nice glossy top coat, and another thing that I really like about this top coat is that it doesn't cause the polish to bleed. Like when you apply this over a nail polish that is really pigmented and is prone to like stain your nails, even some that isn't prone to stain your nails, top coats will cause them to bleed. And mix them with a clear coat as you are sealing it in, and then you get like a cloudy top coat then, or a top coat that is tinted now. I've had no issues with that whatsoever, so I really like that. This polish also is made without the harsh chemicals that a lot of polishes are made with. This top coat from Wet n Wild has a built-in base and top coat, so you can use this as your base coat and top coat. It's rich in calcium to help strengthen and protect your nails, and absolutely, when I use this on my nails, I definitely feel that they have a little bit more strength to them, and there's a smooth application. It dries down very quickly, and one coat of this and your nails stay beautiful for more than 5 days. Now that also I want to throw out, that claim is absolute 100% true, but it also depends on the nail polisher. I applied mine over a Believe Beauty nail polish that you'll see in the pictures with a Color Club topper, and it did last right at a week, and Believe Beauty is a cheaper brand. So with that being said, I would say that it will help prolong the life of any polish you put it over top of. I'm just saying that it might not be a guaranteed, depending on if you're putting it over a polish that is known to like chip no matter what top coat you put on it. I hope you guys found the review helpful. We'll stay tuned for more reviews. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box and the cards for additional links and a Wet n Wild playlist. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.